Selena Vega's one-woman show will now begin.
In the beginning, there was nothing. And there was woman! Wow, I can't believe I'm here in the city of Chicago. Why, anything could happen to a woman like me here in Chicago. Chicago! Chicago! It's a city that's exciting, it's a city that's inviting, it's a city for a woman just like me. There's a lake they call Lake Michigan, I think I'm really fitting in. This city is my perfect cup of tea. Chicago! 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 I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I'm a woman in Chicago, learning how to walk again. Thanks to Doc Stevens and my new plastic leg. Take that, Chicago! You're no match for a woman like me. From now on, I'm calling this city Chicago. Chicago!